So this is the following day after Easter, Friday, so it's Saturday. I'm running to the post office because I need to post this. I'm running to the post office because I need to post this package off. So that's what I'm doing right now. So journey along with me to the post office and let's see what today brings, okay? Listen, they probably have marked me in this outfit because I wear this for breakfast. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Yeah, you? So, this is my... Oh no, the bus has come! So as y'all can see, this is my little area in the daytime. Okay, it looks a lot more pleasant than the other night, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you should revert back to the vlog that says day and night in my life. So, this is the wonderful, the prestigious, the well-known Wood Green. This is our favourite little place to go, Wetherspoons, get cheap booze there. I'm not advertising alcohol, but you know, just letting y'all know, that's a little food shop over there. I don't really go there for Caribbean food though. I actually go to West Green Road, which is not too far from here. We have every little thing in Wood Green. You got banks, restaurants, you know. You got everything you need to actually survive here. I need to clean up the camera. Hold on. Hello, my Julsz. So basically, Woody has come out the shower, so I am nice and clean and fresh. Okay, just creaming my face, moisturizing my face. I'm gonna go face cream. Right, I wanted to show you the body oil that I use when I want to smell extra nice, when I want to give my body that glow, you know, that summer glow, that is like that's glow that's like, girl, you smell good, you look good. I'm gonna show it to you. I need to go grab it because I left it in mummy's room, so bear with me a minute. Okay, I am back. So at the moment, this is what I use to give my skin that extra moisturized feeling. So I use vanilla body oil. So the fragrance, it comes in 3 different fragrances: vanilla, lavender, and coconut. Alright, let me tell you, that's the thing when you use your phone to vlog, you can't really see the glow, but I'm gonna turn around the camera on the other side and show it to you on my legs so you can see the glow. It smells good, goody. I smell like expensive like a Dubai cologne. Don't play with me. Right, let me show you my legs. Yeah, so that's my leg before. Okay, and you just drop it a little. And that's it after. I know, but girl, the camera's just not giving what it's meant to give. So the camera ain't giving what it's meant to give with the body oil. Obviously, terrible graphics. It's not giving what it's meant to give, but your girl will, when I get a camera, because obviously my camera broke, and the next camera is like £800, and that's a lot of money for a camera, so you're gonna have to do with this quality content for a little while. But I promise you, I'm gonna get my game back up. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed now, but let me just tell you, if you need a body oil that's moisturizing, hydrating, and smells absolutely fantastic, then head over to my website, Timeless Beauty and You. It's £13.95. £13.95. Okay, it'll be the best £13.95 you've ever spent. Is there? You've ever spent. Loving them. I'm gonna get dressed now, lotion my whole body. You know, I can't come on camera my body. Okay, because you know, this is my fried chicken. Yeah, and the rice is in the rice cooker. We've got some vegan fake chicken meat business going on here. So dinner's about to be a little committee. Little committee.
Okay, what's the year of this?
No, wrong.
Come on!
You got double three. You got double three. Who's drinking?
Okay, powerful. You only drink.
Eh?
You got double three.
Double three.
On the dice. When you
Yeah, she's drinking. I tried to do the drinking.
Yes.
Mo did the play, she did the drinking.
No, wait, stop. Drink, take a drink, man. No, I begin, man. Now go drink, but now go drink. I'm done.
Another sip.
Apostle will hear of this. That is it.
I remove them once here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one.
Apostle of this story.
Funka! Apostle will hear of this.
Yes.
Come on!
You don't love this place. So you don't call up for the elders. No, sir.
Another one. Funka! Apostle will hear of this. Come on!
I'm done.
But Funke really warmed herself.
Done. Funke, you just strong.
Oh shit. Another one.
No more.
Another one.
It's done.
Funka! Apostle will hear of this.
Say done. I'm out of the game. I'm out.
Why are we trying?
We are coming here with dinner, sir.
Wait.
You don't have to see. You don't have to goes up my flower first.
This is like the 7th, 6th.
I said 7 star general.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, man.
No more Funke.
Another one. Funka! Apostle will hear of this. Come on! Come on!
There's no lies there.
Something like 1,
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Funka powerful, man.
Another one.
Come on, Apostle.
Funka!
Apostle.
Okay, let them play.
Actually, I know you never gonna get no 6.